How's it going, guys? It's Abib here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean up your email list on autopilot. So why do you need to keep cleaning your email list? Why is it so important to have a clean email system? The first reason is that when you have a clean email system, when you take people who doesn't want to receive emails from you, when you take them out of your email system, that's going to increase your email deliverability rate. That means you're going to be sending emails to people who actually want to receive emails from you. And the second one is that in Clearview, you're only paying for active profiles, right? So when you remove people who doesn't want to receive emails from you, people haven't been opening your emails in a while. When you remove them from your email system, that means you don't need to pay for them, right? So like I said before, I'm going to be showing you all the flows, the segments, everything. I'm going to be showing you how to put everything together. So let's head into my computer right now to show you how to clean up your email list on autopilot. So the very first thing we're going to be doing is create our unengaged segment, right? So you want to come to your list and segment and click on segments. So we want to name this unengaged 90 days, right? So that means this segment is going to populate people who haven't engaged with our emails within the last 90 days. Some people like to use 60 days, some people like to use 180 days, and this is going to depend on the frequency of or how many times you send emails in a week. So let's say you're sending emails 4 times in a week, right? You might want to use 60 days unengaged, but let's say you're sending emails 1 or 2 a week, you might want to use the unengaged 90-day segment. I actually have this unengaged segment created already, so I'm just going to show you the definitions and how I put this unengaged 90 days together. So here's the segment here. As you can see the definition here, what someone has done or not done. So the first one is subscribe to list at least once between 120 to 360 days. So the reason why we are doing this is because we want to be sure this person has been subscribed to one of our lists long enough to determine if they have been unengaged or not, because you don't want to, put somebody who just subscribed last week to these segments, right? So the next one is what someone has done or not done. Open email 0 times in the last 90 days. The next one is what someone has done or not done. Click email 0 times in the last 90 days. And also what someone has done or not done. Receive email at least once over all time. And lastly, if someone is or is not suppressed for emails, right? So these are the definition of the unengaged 90-day segment. So for you, it's gonna be create segment, but since I have the segment already, it's just gonna be like update segment. So I'm gonna update that. So the next thing we want to do is head over to our flows to create the unengaged, to create the sunset unengaged flows. So you want to come to your flows, right? You want to come here, then look for sunset unengaged subscribers, right? So as you can see here, the trigger is the flow requires you to first build a segment that captures unengaged profiles, which is the one we just created now, the unengaged 90 days, right? So after creating that, what I'm going to do here is select unengaged 90 days, right? So I'm going to click on create flow. So here is what the flow looks like, but I already have one created already, so I'm just going to show you mine. I'm going to show you the filter and how I put everything together. So this is mine here. I'm going to start with the flow filter. So the filter is click email 0 time since starting this flow, and also placed order 0 times since starting these flows, and also this person is not suppressed for email. So those are the 3 filters I'm using, right? So that means whenever somebody joins these unengaged, joins 90 days unengaged segment, they will enter this flow, right? Then after 1 day, the next thing I did is I used the conditional split, right? As placed order at least once over all time. So that means I want to send different messages to people who have actually, bought something from me before, and also somebody who has never bought something from me before, right? I want to make the message different, but if you want, you can keep the message the same, but I just prefer to have it this way, right? So as you can see, as someone has placed order at least once over all time, they will go down this path, they will go down the yes path, and if the person has never placed order before, they will go down the no path. Then after that, they will come back to receive the same messages after 7 days, right? Then after 5 days, if this person has not engaged with our emails, the person has not opened or clicked this email, they will be taken out of this flow. But before then, I added this update profile property here, as you can see, create unengaged as true. So I'm gonna quickly show you how to do that. If you use the sunsetting engage from Klaviyo, you will see that right here too, create unengaged as true. So what you basically want to do is, create new property, right? Then unengaged, you want to choose this boolean, then put it as true, right? That means anybody who, finish this flow, will get down to this flow and get to this point and still haven't opened or clicked this email, their profile will be updated as create unengaged as true. That means they are truly not engaged, right? So I'm going to show you how to create that segment as well, the unengaged as true segment. So this is what the unengaged as true segment looks like. So you just want to go to your segment and create a new segment. Then it's going to be properties about someone. Unengaged is true, type boolean, right? That's all. And that's how you create the unengaged as true segment. So the next thing you want to do is suppress these people, right? So if you come to your Klaviyo profiles here, you will see active profiles and suppressed profiles, right? So the reason why we want to suppress the unengaged as true profiles and not delete them is because we want to still keep them in our system. We want to have their data. So suppressed profiles are not deleted. So that means if we come here to these suppressed profiles, you will still see their data. You will see their past data as well. But the thing is, you are not going to be paying for these people, right? You are only paying for active profiles and not the suppressed profiles, right? What you want to do next is go back to your list and segment, and now we want to suppress these people. You want to take them out of your active profiles. So what you do here is you click on manage segment, then you're gonna click export segment to CSV. Then pick email or first name, right? You can do that. Then start export. That is exporting people, and it's gonna download this CSV file to your computer. So as you can see, the list just downloaded to my computer right now. So what I'm going to do now is upload this list, this unengaged as true list, to the suppressed profile. So I'm going to head back to profiles now. I want to come to suppressed profiles. Then here you can see upload file, right? So I'm going to upload the file of this list that I just downloaded here. So I'm going to upload that in the suppressed list, and that's how you clean your email list on Autopilot. You can do this every 3 months or every 6 months, depending on how many people you have on your email list, right? So basically, that's how you do it. That's how you set up the flow. That's how you suppress people in your email list. That will be all for this video. If you have any question for me, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can send me a DM on Instagram at growwithabib on Instagram. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos just like this one, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.